Where are you going?
Nevada Falls.
Through the mist trail, Vernal Falls, and then Nevada Falls. Yippee! Yep. Here we go.
Woohoo!
Here's the beginning. I have my pocket knife so we don't have to worry about bears. Yep, there's Vernal Falls.
Right there.
Check it out.
There's Emerald Pool.
Nevada Falls right there. Going up. That's Glacier Point. I come up here every year, and every year it looks as beautiful as the year before, if not more. Yosemite Falls is over there. You can't really see it. The panorama trail is up there. Next year we're doing it. And there's the moon. And we're still going up. We're getting to the footbridge. We don't play around up here. That's sad. That's our next stop. We're going to go uphill for a ways till we get to the misty part of the mist trail. There's a fork here. That's the John Muir Trail. We're going this way. A little bit more uphill. More uphill. Go. So watch my footsteps here. Start getting misty and wet.
A bit misty.
You want to take your glasses off, or do you need them?
I can't. I have to see.
Why do you have to see? You're so smart.
You stepped in the water.
We're going to be going right up there in a few minutes. Next section. Up there.
On the picture phone.
Going up. Going down. Switching cameras in just a minute. Work our way down this slippery slope. I can't remember the elevation change. I think it's like 1.6 miles and 1,500 feet or something. Emerald Pool is over there, but this is one of the main features of the hike of Vernal Falls. The trail we just came up down there, the mist trail.
We made it!
Well,
Woo!
part of the way.
Yay!
Are you going to stop here?
No.
Where are you going?
Way up there. There.
Yeah, somewhere over there.
I see the water.
That's where you don't want to go. That's the quick way down the mist trail. We are going to be heading this direction for another hour, hour and a half. This is called Emerald Pool. videos. My wife and I were up here one year, and somebody tried to cross right there, and he slipped, and he went all the way down this slide into the washing machine down there. We saw him with the emergency folks when we came back down from Nevada Falls getting tended to. He had a broken ankle and some other injuries. I can see the top of Nevada Falls from here. There it is. That's where we're going. There's our destination, and here we cross another bridge, which is this. A little bit of force there. That's where we just were, and that's Emerald Pool. We're on the next phase of our journey, which is just a lot of hiking, and we'll see quite a bit of Nevada Falls. It'll get bigger and bigger as we go up the trail. It's going to be a lot of switchbacks toward the end. Still going up. On the way back, we're going to be up there. If you see that wet spot, there's a bit of a ledge right there. That's the John Muir Trail. Yes, we have to get way up there. A little ways to go. This is the easiest part right here. Getting closer. Going up. You can't eat licorice yet. That's dessert for later.
I haven't eaten anything yet.
Me either. Try to get 360 degrees here. There's my hiking buddy. So the John Muir Trail again is right over there where that kind of wet spot is. We came from way down there somewhere. Look at this place. That is a tall peak. I'm sure it has a name. There's the sun, and there's 360 degrees. It's just hard to get enough. I think we're nearing the end. I think that's the last of the switchbacks to get up to the top. Elise asked, did we make it? That way to Half Dome and beyond. Mount Whitney, 215 miles. We have 0.2. That's a little bit shorter than 215. We're going that way, 0.2 miles. We're pretty much at the top, but not the big prize. The big prize is just right over there, another 1/10 of a mile or so. Look at this absolutely beautiful day we have. Emerald Pool. There's where we came up. There's people down there. I don't know if they'll show up on here.
Oh, I see the steps, like a staircase right
yes.
there.
Yes. Right over here, that little rock is holding up this thing. Can you believe it? About 8 zillion tons of granite. Right there is what I call stupid. little slip, and she's gone forever.
Oh, there's two streams.
This is our picnic spot for this year.
I went fishing and I got these fish.
Oh yeah.
It's a good catch.
And this year we caught a bear and we dressed it out and we made this bear jerky. Oh no, we got the nuts off of the trees up here.
Oh.
And then we made those granola bars. It's been quite an adventure. I think we've been up here for 2 weeks.
Yep.
2 or 3. This backpacker right here is going to Mount Whitney, 210 miles away.
Want me to take a picture of you guys?
Probably won't show up
No.
because it's so bright, but it's pretty cool how this water's flowing down the granite. It's refreshing.
Weird.
This is going to be slippery.
Oh, look, right there. See?
Yes,
Good view.
that's a great view. Oh, it's really rainy here. Look at this spot. Right here.
Where's it coming from?
It's coming from up there. Oh, this is a shower here.
Oh, it's all flooded.
That's from where we came. I'm going to see if I can zoom in on Yosemite Falls. There it is. Me and my hiking buddy there hiked up to the top of that thing and over to Yosemite Point over there a few years ago.
It's so pretty.
Yeah, it is beautiful. We have quite a bit of this going back down on the John Muir Trail. Some steeper areas and slippery areas coming up. Lise, hit a slippery spot and fall down because I want to show people what happens when you fall. Come on. Here's where we were. We just took the secret turnout. She says, why did we go down here? Do you see why we went down here?
Yeah. Right
There's Emerald Pool and Vernal Falls. That's it. It's amazing. We have Vernal Fall and Nevada Falls. And this is a secret turnout, so don't tell anybody about it. Okay? We just came from up there where the crowds are. We're going down here to Vernal Falls. We could have stayed on the John Muir Trail way up there and bypassed the crowds. But I kind of like coming back this way. Do you want to be a movie star, Haley? Oh, very nice. Another movie star. Here's another movie star. That's Wes,
yeah.
some last name, but he's famous. Very.
Some last name.
Bye, people. See you later. We are going down there. Trying to take advantage of a little opening here, but my knees are starting to give out. Made some progress. Now we take a turn and go down that way. Alright, I gotta shut the camera off. Going down. And we came from there. Almost down the steps. Almost down to the footbridge. Had we stayed on the John Muir Trail, we would have come out right here. It's quite a contrast from when we came across here semi-early this morning. Getting down toward the bottom. Didn't take much video on that last leg. It's quite unspectacular with 8 zillion people on the trail. I thought when we secured our campsite here that it also secured all the hiking trails just for us. Did you have fun?
Yes, that was fun.
You made it.
Boy, that downhill killed though.
That downhill killed, and there were a few people on the trail, weren't there?
Oh man, so many people.
All right, let's go see Mama. We're back, safe and sound. Time for some crackers and cheese, I think. So we're gonna rough it over here for a little while.